Welcome to the How to Beach channel. I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't been posting a lot lately. I've been very busy. Let me show you what I've been up to here. Oh, look. This is actual progress. It may look like a disaster, but my house flooded. I've been working on this for about 7 weeks now, and we're to this point. Just about got all of the drywall finished. This is a big step. Getting ready to finish sanding drywall and start painting. But my whole house flooded and I had to tear out everything from 4 feet down. So all of the vanities are gone. We got the fans going to try to get the drywall mud dried out, but everything torn out, all the doors torn out, my whole kitchen torn out. So we're changing the layout of the kitchen. I'm moving this window up so that I can extend my cabinets all the way down. And because of the coronavirus now, you can't get kitchen supply, or you can't get supplies. So I got like 6 weeks more wait for windows. But what happened was, I live on this little lake, and you can see how low down there it is. It came up about 10 feet and flooded this house. My whole dock raised up. It's all cattywampus now. So that lake came all the way up. Look how low this is. My dock is like three feet above the water. And then I've got these 3 steps up here. And then the slope up my yard. And the lake came up all this way. Flooded my whole house, so we had to tear everything out. One good thing was, when we had the drywall torn out, we realized that this was a wall that I wanted to get rid of, but it was framed in as a window, like this window, so we were able to actually take the whole thing out and create this nice big opening back here to make a little more open concept for my house. So, this is where all my energy's been going for the past 7 or 8 weeks. I also added this new closet. Look at that baby. This house was a vacation rental, or a vacation home for the people who lived here. See that mark on the ceiling? So they had 2 tiny little closets on either side of this window. So I tore those out, and I built this big new closet. But as with all things in my life, the only air conditioning vent was right where the wall needs to go. To figure that out. But I just wanted to say hello and tell you why I haven't been posting a lot. How the Beach has been in crisis mode, trying to remodel this house. You know that you got some issues going on in your life when your yard cart is in your kitchen. That's never a good sign. But the good news is we're making progress, and the drywall's done. Now as soon as this window comes, we'll get these windows replaced, get the new kitchen put in, get the new flooring put in. It'll be a brand new house. But I just want to give you an update. That's what's been going on, and thank you for your support. And I'll try to get better at posting very soon. Hopefully my life will get back to normal and I'll start making more videos. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please subscribe. Please hit the like button so that I can try to grow this channel. I'm still trying to grow this channel. It's been going very slowly. So I know that my lack of content lately hasn't been helping, but I'm going to try to remedy that situation. Thank you for watching. I keep saying I'm going to go to the beach and I haven't done it. So here we are. The beach. Thought I'd come down and catch a sunset. All the helicopters are running their sunset trips right now. Should have brought a chair. So there's Panama City Beach. There is the pier right there. on Pier Park. You got the Calypso condos right there. And you got Tidewater, actually Sterling Breeze, and then Tidewater behind it right there. Take my flip-flops off. I look like a tourist. So, I'll try to get a couple of good photos of the sunset. I just want to show you all that I did actually finally make it down to the beach.